Today, I want to introduce you to Roobee, which is a blockchain-based investment platform and a very interesting addition to the growing field of financial products which are becoming available on the blockchain. Roobee uses artificial intelligence as well as transparent statistics to assist you in making smart investments for sums as little as $10, but at the same time allowing you to access large investment products which have very high thresholds, things like ambitious startups or real estate investments or investment funds, hot IPOs, some of the best stocks, and of course even crypto startups and ICOs, among a host of other possible products. Before I get into exactly how all of that works, just a quick reminder to always do your own research for investing any of your own hard-earned money into any given cryptocurrency. And of course, a big thank you to the team at Roobee for supporting the channel by sponsoring today's video. Now, before I break down exactly what Roobee is doing and how it all works, I wanted to let you know about the sale itself. Roobee has been conducting their fundraise in multiple stages, having already hosted 2 successful IEOs on Bitforex and EXMO, and now the third stage of their sale will be an IEO on liquid.com. The sale is scheduled to start on September 18th. They will be giving out special bonuses to users who are investing in the Roobee token over on liquid.com based on the following 3 tiers. So if you invest $2,000, you will qualify for the silver status, which will give you 1 ticket for priority participation in investment products with limited allocations like hot IPOs, for example, and up to a 30% discount on success fees charged by the Roobee service for 6 months. And you will get access for 6 months to the online investment educational platform. This is a place where you can go and connect and learn from leading investment experts such as managers of investment funds or venture capital funds, the founders and employees of some of the hottest and fastest growing companies and startups out there, as well as analysts and a whole bunch of other different kinds of experts. The gold tier will start with investments of $4,000, which will give you 2 priority tickets for the hot products like the IPOs, as well as up to a 40% discount on success fees charged by Roobee for 9 months. We'll also give you 9-month access to the online investment educational platform, and you'll get free gold tickets from Roobee and partners for private events and conferences around the world for the first year. And finally, there is the top tier, which is for investors that buy $8,000 worth of Roobee during the liquid.com IEO. It will include 4 tickets for priority access to the hottest and the most in-demand sales for things like IPOs and a whole range of other stuff, up to 50% discount on success fees charged by the Roobee service during the first 9 months, access for 12 months to the online investment educational platform, and free prime tickets by Roobee and their partners for private events and conferences around the world for 18 months. Those are some pretty sweet bonuses for those of you who might be looking to make a bigger buy of Roobee tokens during the IEO over on liquid.com. Now, with all of that being said, here is what makes Roobee worth taking note of. So Roobee is a project that has been in development since 2017. They currently have a working MVP, which is being used by a private test group. Roobee has also acquired operating licenses for the storage and the exchange of cryptocurrencies in the European Union. Roobee is also approaching investing from the point of view that most people are not professional investors, and as such, they lack not just the experience, but also the possibility to access a lot of these highly lucrative sales which only accredited or institutional investors can actually get into. Roobee thus wants to break down some of those barriers which have been holding the average investor back from getting these opportunities. And with Roobee, you're going to be able to get into those opportunities for as little as $10, which is crazy. For just $10, you can get a slice of real estate or get into an ICO or access a wide range of other hot financial products. The walls are being brought down. And while Removing barriers to entry, Roobee is also bringing in massive transparency with all transactions being recorded on the blockchain, and high security with all of these crypto assets being managed by the industry leader BitGo. So we got the security nailed down as well. Roobee also aims to significantly cut down on fees for investors, which traditional asset managers levy for things like management fees or success fees and all that stuff. So again, cutting down on fees, which is good in the long term for your wealth building. Roobee will operate on two levels, one being the blockchain and the back end infrastructure parts of Roobee. The other, which is where most people will see and will be, is the various investment platforms and options available in the form of the web services and of the mobile app. Now, a few of the key items of this ecosystem include the following. We have the Roobee network. This is basically a system made up of the permissioned blockchain Roobee chain, which will be based on Hyperledger and the public Ethereum blockchain, which will make it secure, transparent, and highly functional. The next step is Roobee ID, which is a system that contains users' keychain and digital ID and public and private keys. Then there is the Roobee wallet. This will be a multi-currency wallet, which will give users the ability to store and to exchange their assets. Next is Roobee Score. Now this is a management system that ensures the availability of and ensures the high quality of, most importantly, the investment products. Roobee Fin is a smart computer assistant which uses machine learning to help build your ideal portfolio based on your personal risk profile. They will also have a marketplace called Roobee Market that will give users the ability to build their own portfolios with the help of Roobee Scores automatic backtesting algorithms. There will also be an internal OTC platform called Roobee Liquid, which will be a peer-to-peer exchange. And finally, there will be Roobee Terminal, which will allow for trading on Roobee Liquid and other exchanges, as well as providing trading access to appointed and anonymous asset managers. Roobee allows for investors to easily make diverse portfolios with exposure to a wide range of asset classes, basically becoming a one-stop shop for investors. Roobee will also allow for automated investing in passive mode, which will basically allow you to link up your payment method, whether it be your card or your bank account, whatever it might be, and then just automate your investing based on your set preferences, assuring that you never miss a beat while building your wealth portfolio. The Roobee token is a utility token with a wide range of functionality. So you can use the Roobee token to reduce commissions charged by all the third-party services which will be available, and reduce management fees, and reduce success fees, and reduce exchange fees, and to reduce other fees when investing through Roobee up to 2 times. You will also not have to pay the service fees for the purchase of various investment products on the Roobee platform. It will also allow for access to advanced functions such as allocations in exclusive products or advanced investment modes, and much more besides that. It will also serve as a reward for useful actions to incentivize the Roobee community. So some possible uses there might be for community rewards, including things like competitions or an affiliate program or the bug bounties for developers. And a certain level of Roobee will also give access to increased rewards from the affiliate program, much like Binance has, for example. The token will also give access to Roobee's closed educational online platform, and it will allow for access to loans in fiat and or crypto, which will be secured by the user's assets from either the traditional or the crypto markets. Looking ahead for Roobee, well, the MVP is currently in private testing. The rest of 2019 will see the team inviting in brokers as well as public testing of their platform. ETFs and shares will be released this year as well, and the team will seek to expand its licenses. In 2020, there will be a release of the beta wallet. The native Roobee chain is also scheduled for release in 2020, and the team will be targeting institutional clients to come into the platform. Investors will also gain access to real estate products during that time, and the full version of Roobee will become available to the public. Farther ahead into 2021, commodities will be made available for investors, and asset managers will be available in the decentralized marketplace. Roobee has also received a lot of attention from some very large cryptocurrency investors and has also had some very positive reviews on key rating sites. Now, the liquid IEO is just a few days out, and it has also been confirmed that it will be listing on KuCoin. So that's pretty cool to know that there's a listing coming up very soon. And I love that Roobee is not just focusing on the big investors, although the platform will also be well suited for those people, but it is opening the doors to the average Joe to be able to invest like the big guys and to take charge of their financial destiny, even if they don't have a lot of money to get started with. The future of finance is super exciting. So there is a link down below where you can learn some more information about Roobee and to sign up for the sale over on Liquid should you be interested in that. Anyway, guys, as always, I want to know your opinion. What do you think about Roobee? Is it a platform that you would like to use? Let me know about it down below in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.